soul. Train, you carry my death in the smoky breath of your cities. Train, you're the iron horse, the ironic force that sped up the nightmare of history, our genocidal mystery. Train, it'll be a great day when this wobbly, depressed hobo poet riding the rod finds you're carrying peace. Train. There's no bourgeois train. My eyes have been watching you closely, train. This is now a new freedom train. No swing low, sweet Harriet Tubman train. No high noon killers on this train. No death or internment camp counselors on this train. There's no bourgeois train. Train, train, train. There's no bourgeois train. This is the Woody Guthrie bound for glory train. This is the Lead Belly train. The A train. The A. Philip Randolph Pullman Porter train. The John Colt train. The A.N.A. Woman Sojourner Truth train. The Great Day in the Morning Peace train. There's no bourgeois train. Train, train, train. There's no bourgeois train. This is the Woody Guthrie bound for glory train. This is the Lead Belly train. The A train. The A. Philip Randolph Pullman Porter train. The John Colt train. The A.N.A. Woman Sojourner Truth train. The Great Day in the Morning Peace train. Train, train.